Hope you guys are doing amazing. Today we're taking a look at this smart AI camera which was sent to me. This is the SimCam and it has some pretty impressive labels in the front here. So we have the CES Innovation Awards 2019. And then taking a look at the back here, we have human detection, face recognition, object monitoring, smart home integration, DIY AI features with Open SDK. So it claims to have some pretty cool features. Also, the other thing which I love on any camera pretty much when it comes to these, we have no subscription fee, which is mentioned in the front here. And also this works with Google Assistant and Alexa and all that. So let's get right into it, open this up, see what we have inside, then we'll test it out, see if these features work. Alrighty, so let's see here. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So we have the power supply and doesn't look like it's a USB, micro USB or type C or anything like that. It's just a normal adapter there. So everything is like actually jammed in there. Looks like this tape kind of got ruined a little bit. Okay, and we have the camera here now. Wow, in the pictures this thing seems kind of small, but it's kind of a little bigger than I thought it would be. But having all those AI features in there, hopefully it justifies that. So just for a quick comparison, this is my phone. This is a Pixel 4 XL, and this is the camera, so you can see how big it is actually. Alrighty, so I've gone ahead and installed the app, also plugged this in. And one thing I noticed is there's a cap in the back here which has the SD card, which comes with an SD card. Also, to reset the unit you will need to remove the little screw to take off the cap here, so you can reset the unit here. And it kind of gets a little bit warm here, but it has a fan, so you can definitely hear there's a fan. I'm gonna put it close to the microphone here, you can hear. First thing we see in the app here is I've gone ahead and signed up for the SimCam here, so everything is already set up. So what we do here is hit the plus sign and go next. Right now it's asking me to connect to my Wi-Fi. And so right now we have a QR code. I'm just gonna point it to the camera and it should recognize it.
Connecting Wi-Fi. Please wait for a minute.
Perfect. So what I do now is click next. So right now, we just wait until it tells us to refresh here, and it should be showing up in here shortly.
Please swipe down to refresh. Connection succeeded.
Perfect, so connection succeeded. Okay, good. So first thing, the connection went perfectly smooth, which I like. And let's go ahead and hit play here. And here we go. So it is working. Let's go and make it full screen here. Okay. So right now it's connected and it's full HD on the top right hand corner here. So if I swipe it left or right, it does turn. So we have 360 pan here, no tilt. Tilt is manual, so you're gonna need to move it up and down. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and add my face to the face recognition here and see if I get a notification. So let's go ahead and do that actually. So I'm gonna go under settings here and under facial recognition settings. So it's asking me to select the device. So I'm gonna select the device. Okay. Hit the plus sign, enter nickname. Okay. And select a role. So I guess I take a picture with my phone camera right now. I think that's it. We hit the OK at the top right hand corner and OK. So right now I'm just gonna point the camera towards my face. Let's see if it if we get a notification or not. Looks like I got a notification here, and we can see here face recognition, HD point. Cool. So the face recognition part works. I want to test out the object tracking, if it's able to track an object even if it moves. So let's go ahead and set the camera here, and let's put this little thing here. Appeared. Okay, let's try that out. And the check. Perfect. So right now, oh, we can see there's actually a red in there. So let's go ahead and move this. Yep, I did object monitoring. So yep, I got a notification for that. That's good. Alrighty, so object monitoring, that works. So we got the notification, and object like tracking when it's moving. I don't see that in the app. I'm sure it's supposed to have that feature, but I don't really see it because the camera is able to pan like 360 here, so it should be able to do that. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and hit the alarm, so it's gonna be a little bit loud. So here we go. It is pretty loud for sure. You don't probably hear that on your end, but it is loud, which is good. If we go under device settings, so we have luminance, contrast, saturation, mute, flip vertically, horizontally, disabled night vision, and pedestrian tracking. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and turn off all the lights and see how well the night vision part works. Okay, it does take a little bit of a time for the night vision to start, but as you can see here for yourself, it is working, which is good. And I'm also getting those facial recognition. Here we go, face recognition. Even in night vision, it does work, which is great. So let's go ahead and turn the lights back on. And also if we go under the settings here, we have the Alexa, Google Assistant, iFit options as well, which is great whenever it comes to any camera, but this does have that. So my final thoughts on this SimCam. It does its job. The facial recognition works great. Also objects, if you're gonna place any object, if it's removed, you will get a notification as well. So that part worked. The only thing that didn't work for me is I think this camera does have is to make the object tracking if I'm moving this so the camera can pan. The only thing is this doesn't have an automatic tilt, so you will need to adjust it. Only automatic motorized is the pan part. So tilting, you're gonna have to do it by hand, which kind of sucks. I wish this had automatic tilt pan, which would have been even better. And it does tend to get a little warm, like to the touch here. And the fan is in the back. There's an opening here for the fan. So it kind of does what it's supposed to do when it comes to the AI part. It's able to detect my face, as you saw there. So you're able to add many faces there, and it will recognize, which is good. And you're able to set this up with your Google Assistant, Alexa, and all that stuff, which is great as well. The only thing is, I wish the app was a little bit better because it crashed on me two times. But to move the camera, I wish it had more of a control on it, the swiping, but that's something that can easily be added to the app. But that's the only thing. Much of the complaining is the app part of it. The camera works great. It feels very solid, doesn't feel cheap at all. If you guys have any questions about this camera or want me to make a short video, and I can definitely upload it to Twitter or Instagram to show you more of the features, how it works, I can definitely do that for you. Go ahead and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you guys enjoyed watching this, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.